In this video, I will show you how to start an online class or a remote learning program in Google Meet using your mobile phone. So to do this, you need to have two applications in your phone, that is Google Meet and Google Calendar. So download it from Play Store. Now, there are two ways to start a meeting. Either you can start it right now or you can schedule a meeting later at any time or any other day. So I will show you both the ways in this video. At first, if you want to start a meeting right now, open the application Google Meet. Now, this is your meeting room. You are going to your meeting room. You can see the icon of microphone and also camera. If you want, you can turn it on or off. You can see a new meeting tab and a meeting code. Press new meeting. So if you press new meeting, you will be entering into your meeting room. This is your meeting room. Here you can see a message to add others and a meeting ID is there. meet.google.com bar some letters are written. That is your meeting ID. You can share it with anyone whom you want to be there in your classroom or in your meeting. So if you press share, this ID will be sent to them. That is how you are sharing. You can share it by WhatsApp or by mail, etc. So, who all accept that ID, they will be joining your meeting and you can see them below this people icon. But here I have not added anyone, so no one is there, only I am there in the meeting. Now, if your students have any queries or they have some doubt, they can use this chat box. So they can, whatever they are typing or whatever you are typing, it can be visible to those who are there in the meeting. Now at the top right corner you can see three dots. It is for more options. There you can see many other options to switch camera, turn on captions, present screen. So if you want to present something to your students, that is some video related to that chapter or some documents, you can press present screen. If you press present screen, your screen will be visible to all who are there in the meeting. So whatever you want to show, you can show it to them, and you can, after showing, you can press stop presenting. Now you can see an I button there. In that button you can see our meeting code again, and if you want to add more people, you can do it there also by pressing share. And attachments is given as 0. I will show you what is this attachments. Now if you want to leave the meeting, either you can press this hang on button or you can press the back button of your mobile phone. So you will be out of your meeting room. Now, if you want to schedule a meeting later, then open Google Calendar. There you can select any date which you want to conduct the class. Then you can see time there. You can select the time. I'm selecting 10 a.m. Then I'm adding details of that meeting. I want to take class for grade 5 math class I'm taking. So I have given the name of the meeting as grade 5 math. Now already as we have taken 10 a.m. as our meeting time and ending time is 11 a.m. By default all meetings are 1 hour. If we want we can change it here. Then we can add people. Then we have does not repeat. That is if you want a class every day or every week or alternative days, all things are here. You can do it here. Then if you want you can add people by giving their email ID, so they will be added to your meeting. Then here you can see 30 minutes before add notification. A notification and email ID will be sent to them, or if they add it in their Google Calendar, then a message will be sent to them 30 minutes before the meeting. That is, you have a class at the time, whatever it is, what all we are giving, we can change that also as a notification or as an email we can give. We can change the time, everything can be done. Now as I told before, when we press that I button we can see some description or attachments if we have given anything to that. So you can add some description or add attachments, whatever things you are needed. Maybe you need a video to show your students, you can add it as an attachment. or if you want to write something about which chapter you are taking, you can add it in the description, whatever you want, and you can save it. When you save it, you will see a message like send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest. So press send. Then an invitation to whomever you have added in the meeting will be sent to them, an email with that meeting ID, that is Google Meet ID, so that they can click that and join to your meeting. Now if you want to join your meeting, that is, you can see it here. See, join with Google Meet. If you click this, you will be moving on to your meeting room so that you can join. So these are the two ways to conduct a meeting in Google Meet or a classroom in Google Meet using your mobile phone. Thank you for watching.